Hey everyone, it's Alex with LoverFighterWriter, and this is going to be my ClosersCopy review. It'll be a little bit of a tutorial for ClosersCopy, but mostly we're just going to take a look at the sales page, and I'm going to be talking a lot about the lifetime deal that ClosersCopy still has going on. You may have heard me say that the lifetime deal was over because I legitimately thought the lifetime deal was over, but it turns out that as of today, which is May 27th, there are still 4 days, 5 hours, 49 minutes and 28 seconds left. So if you want to get the ClosersCopy lifetime deal, which I highly recommend, you'll be able to find my affiliate link for that in the description and possibly the pinned comment down below. I'd really appreciate it if you use that because that gives me a commission and it helps me keep this channel going. So let's just take a quick look at the sales page here, and then maybe I'll take you on a walk through the dashboard. So this is the top of it. If you click on my ClosersCopy lifetime affiliate link, then you'll come here. And just so you're aware, there is a monthly option as well. I know that some people prefer to pay monthly for tools. I like lifetime deals, but if you prefer to get monthly, I'll have that link there as well. But the big thing today is the ClosersCopy lifetime deal, because I had thought that that was over and that I couldn't promote it anymore. But it turns out that it is still running for another 4 days in a little bit. So I guess that probably means it's ending with May. I think it's probably ending at the end of May. So if you're watching this after May 2021, unfortunately it's too late for you to get the lifetime deal, but the monthly deal will still be available, and it is a really impressive tool. So I definitely recommend that you come to this page, check out this video that they have here. I'm not going to watch that right now because that would be boring. And you can see they've got tons of great headlines and subheadlines, lots of copy explaining what it is, why you need it. They've got this cool kind of thing. You can actually check boxes on the page, depending on, it's a very interactive sales page, I guess is what I'm saying. And then here you can pick your options. What's the question that they ask? Will our copy solution help you? Pick your option. You can give up, study copywriting yourself, you can hire a pro, and you can get ClosersCopy. And I guess I should kind of go into what ClosersCopy is a little bit here. So, I assume that you already know what ClosersCopy is if you're searching for ClosersCopy review or ClosersCopy tutorial or ClosersCopy lifetime deal, stuff like that. I figure you probably already know what it is, but just from someone who's been using it for a while, it started off when I first bought it, which was quite some time ago now. It started off as just like a word processor and a repository of copywriting that you could copy and paste into your document and use for inspiration and, change it around and use the structure to get yourself going. And I thought that was really cool, so I grabbed the lifetime deal back then. But since then, it's turned into this massive tool, which, it's got an emotional analyzer, so it analyzes the emotional content of your writing and gives you a score and gives you kind of advice on how you can improve. It has a spam detector, so if you're writing emails, you can use the spam detector to see how likely your email is to go into spam. And there's a couple other tools as well. There's one that takes a look at your sentence length to see like how easy it is to read. And I think they might be adding another one soon too. And that's just the analyzing tools. It also has an AI copywriting engine, which is turning out to be really impressive. And they just added a long-form composer tool to their AI tools, which I think is possibly first to market. I guess Conversion AI has something like that, but theirs is a little bit different, and I really like the way it works. So let's keep moving down. Like I said, very, very impressive, very long sales page. But here is the ClosersCopy, features that it has right here. So as I was just talking about, the AI editor, one of the most sophisticated editors for copywriters. It's got a template library, artificial intelligence writing, as well as rewriting. So you can use it to generate text, but you can also just highlight something you've written, right-click, and get it to rewrite for you as a shorter or a longer or a approximately the same length, just rephrasing. There's guidance and advice. There's actually some really cool setup wizards that you can go through where basically it'll ask you questions and you just kind of click a few times and maybe drag and drop a little bit, and then all of a sudden you have a working document to start with. The drag and drop copy builder, which I just kind of mentioned, 18,000 apparently. Wow, so that's increased recently. But so they've just got a ton of ad examples and other pieces of copy as examples, like emails and landing pages and stuff that you can not only look at, but you can drag and drop it right into the document in order to use it for inspiration. What's this? Fuel your copy with energy and embed the emotions you'd like by querying our power-centric word databases. Yeah, that's what I was mentioning earlier, the emotional analyzer. Oh, of course, there's a thesaurus lookup. There's emotions analysis. There's spam analysis, keyword analysis, sentence analysis, voice analysis, and teams. So there's a lot going on with this product, and it's likely to just keep getting better. And I think I think either way, you probably get like all the feature updates if you get the lifetime deal. I think the only difference between them is right here. So you have 167 one time for unlimited, or 97 one time for professional. And I think the only difference is that with professional, you only get 200,000 characters per month of AI text generation, which is still quite a lot. And with unlimited, you get unlimited. Let's take a look. Oh, and then also you don't get teams with professional, and you don't get, okay, so you don't get the future updates with professional. So, I mean, if you want to get this tool and you can afford it, I would highly recommend getting unlimited. That's what I have. It wasn't called that when I bought it, but they're really good about, always upgrading people who kind of came in as legacy members, if you want to call them that. And so, yeah, that's kind of my review of ClosersCopy. It's one of my favorite copywriting tools. I use it along with Niche, which you can actually find some tutorials on my channel which demonstrate how to use ClosersCopy with Niche. And they are super, super handy together and super handy on their own. And ClosersCopy is arguably, right now, probably the most powerful standalone piece of copywriting software. I know a lot of people are loving Conversion AI, but it doesn't have the well-roundedness of ClosersCopy. It might have very powerful AI content generation, but I don't think it has, I don't think it has a copy library. I don't think it has the analyzer tools. I don't think it has really everything that ClosersCopy has. And then you can just see a massive number of positive reviews here from customers. I should really write them one to get on here, but I haven't done a written review yet. I'm just now getting around to my video review, and I'll probably do a written review soon. And of course, you're backed by their 30-day money-back guarantee. So, I mean, as long as you can afford it, as long as you have the means to purchase it, you really can't go wrong with this. You've got 30 days after the purchase to try it out and see if it's right for you, and you can always get your money back if it's not. But I'm telling you, like, don't buy this unless you can afford it, because you're not going to want to refund it. It's really handy and it's fun to work with, and it's just a really impressive piece of software, and it's got a really great team behind it that is dedicated to making sure it continues to grow. They absolutely love this tool. The founder is so excited about it. You can see it in the emails that they send out. So it's just going to keep getting better. And as of the day of this publication, as of May 27th, 2021, you still have a little bit more than 4 days left. So it looks like it's just ending at the end of May. So you've still got a little bit of time left to grab the ClosersCopy lifetime deal. This might be the last time that they do a lifetime deal. I'm not sure. So I would certainly recommend snapping this up if you need a tool like this and you have the resources for it. This would be my primary recommendation, I think, over other standalone tools, just because, I mean, if you have like a variety of tools to use together, then that's one thing. But if you just want one that kind of does like everything and does it very well, then I think this is the one. All right, so let me know if you have any questions. Happy to answer them. And again, I've got links down below that you can use, affiliate links. I really appreciate if you do use them if you're going to make a purchase. And if you have any requests for specific tutorials on this, just let me know, because I use it quite a bit, and I'm happy to share that knowledge. All right, take care.